In this tutorial, we're going to review the price elasticity report. This report is located under Advanced, then Items, then from here you will select Price Elasticity. This report will allow you to explore how sensitive movement is at different price points, discover how certain price points can impact overall basket size, and see the number of weeks an item was at a price point over the last 52 weeks and see how the customers responded to it. By UPC or item code, the price elasticity report allows you to explore how price can impact movement and average basket size within a 52-week time frame. You'll first want to begin by entering a store number. For this training, we are using a live store's data, so we will block the actual store number we are using. This report allows you to select either a UPC or an item code. Any valid UPC or PLU will be recognized if it was sold through the POS system in the store in the last 52 weeks. This even includes any unknown items that exist within the system. When you select item codes, these are item codes that you use to order product from SuperValue. For this training video, we're going to leave this set to UPC. Last, we want to enter a UPC or PLU. In this training, we're going to take a look at the Culinary Circle pepperoni pizza. Once the information loads, you will see a series of bar graphs with price points at the bottom. These are the price points this item has been at any time in the last 52 weeks. There's also valuable content within the bar graph that tells you a lot more information about this product. The first piece of information is the number of weeks this item was at this designated price. Keep in mind, the more weeks at a certain price level, the greater level of confidence can be established in the numbers that you are seeing. The next piece of information is the average transaction amount. In each bar graph, you can see how sensitive the basket was as the prices changed. This allows you to ask yourself, if you aspire to do deep discounts on a product, are you hoping to sell more units or gain a larger basket size, or maybe both? It's likely you want both. And the last piece of information is the average weekly movement. In our example, let's look at the $3.99 price point and the $5 price point. The $5 price point clearly has more weeks supporting the overall sales information. However, it's still worth comparing the two since they are vastly different in price. The $3.99 price point does have a slightly higher weekly average movement and higher average basket size. But is the slightly higher result worth the full dollar discount on this item? This may be an item that is being newly introduced to the customers, and it makes a lot of sense to introduce these types of products at a great retail. However, following the introductory price, you are able to see what the characteristics of this item looks like when it's selling closer to its regular retail. Keep in mind, this is just one item, and you can look at all types of items like bananas, eggs, or even peanut butter. There really is no prescribed way to look at this report. You simply have the option to explore information as it makes sense for the things that you're doing within your store. And just to review, this report allows you to explore how sensitive movement is at different price points, discover how certain price points can impact overall basket size, and also see the number of weeks an item was at a price point over the past 52 weeks and see how the customers were responding to it. At any time, if you have any questions about this report or any other reports, send an email to svinsights@supervalue.com.